Hi everyone, Anna Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make 3D trees for your cards. So let's get started with making or cutting 3 triangles. You can make them in any size you want, but they have to be 3 identical triangles. And then fold each of the triangles in half lengthwise, like I'm doing here. It's better to use, of course, some sort of green paper or with a green pattern. It doesn't have to be a double-sided cardstock, it can be just one-sided. Next, we're going to glue them together. So apply glue on one side of the folded triangle and then attach another side like this back to back. Then we're going to do the same thing with the last piece. Attach it back to back with the second piece. So you have here a nice 3D tree. And you can make as many trees as you want and add them to your card, to your party invites, to your gift cards. You can make a decoration for the wall, etc. So this is a really cool technique, and the best thing is that if you want to mail your card, they will fold flat inside the envelope. So just attach the trees to your card by applying glue to the back side, and then the front stays upright and you get that effect of a 3D tree, which is really cool. So this is the first method to make a 3D tree for any card or gift card that you want. Just want to show you how this card looks when it's finished. You can add decorations, you can add letters, whatever you want. Next, we're going to do a little bit of folding. You need 5 squares of white paper measuring 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, and 1.5. So we're going to fold them all the same way. We're going to start by folding in half, and then folding in half again, opening that, and then folding the corner into the center to create a diagonal, 2 diagonal sides like this. And that is it. Isn't that really easy? We're going to do the same folding with all the other squares. And I'm using white paper, but you can use whatever paper that you want. It can be solid color, it can be pattern paper, but you will have to make sure that the pattern or the color are on both sides. So you need a double-sided paper to make this project. These folds are basically origami folds, and I'm going to show you how to attach them all to a card. So we're going to start with a smaller folded triangle. Apply glue on the back side on the straight side, then attach it on the top of the card. Then we're going to continue with the next size triangle. Apply glue to the back side and glue it while it's slightly or very slightly inserted inside the first triangle. And we're going to continue that with all the triangles that are left. And of course, you can make as many triangles as you want, as long as each square is 1/2 inch bigger or smaller than the other square that you're using. So you can use more than 5 and make larger trees with more pieces. So 5 is a good number to finish this card, but if you want to have a larger tree, then simply make 7, 8, 10, or as many as you want. So this is a really cool 3D tree. This is how the card looks when it's finished. The final method to create a 3D tree is really easy. You will need 4 strips of double-sided cardstock measuring 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, 1.5 inch, and 1 3/4, and they're all 10 inches long. And you'll have to score each strip every 1/2 inch. Next, you're going to apply glue on the bottom of one side of your folded strip, and then we're going to start with a larger one and attach it to the bottom of the card. And you have to have a card that opens. This is going to go on the inside of the card because you need the opening of the card to do the effect. So you're going to attach the strips aligned with the center fold line, but not on it, just left of that score line. And you're going to attach all 4 strips. I'm just using scissors to make sure they won't move. And then the last strip. And then after you attach those strips, apply glue to the other side. You see what happens when there is nothing on the strips. So apply glue to the other side and then attach it to the other side of the fold line like this while the strip opens up. And then you repeat this process with all the other strips as well. Another thing you can do is simply close the card to attach them after you apply the glue. So this is a really cool technique to create a 3D Christmas tree inside your card. So when someone opens the card, they get that surprise. It's really fun. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything. And I really hope you like this tutorial. Here is how the card looks when it's finished. So there you have it, 3 ways to make a 3D Christmas tree for your cards. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.